What's up, Airsofters? This is Crazy Will back with another YouTube review. Um, this gun that I'm going to review of, you might have seen a review. I just did a review of a G1. I'm kind of scared to do a review on this, but I'm going to get all this one on camera. Um, the G1 I just opened up and did a review of. You can check out it in the description check out my videos and you'll see it. It blew up in my hand. You can see the spring right here, but there's pieces of it, but you got to watch the video. So I'm going to do this one right here. The whole video on camera. So bear with me here. I'm kind of worried about doing it after what just happened. Okay, I don't want to miss anything now. Okay, this is the G3 Airsoft zinc alloy pistol. And I'm gonna do the review of it. Like I said on the G1, I was trying to upsize it, but I don't know if you can see that. It's like a 3D image. See how it's raised out. The box is nice. Like as far as that, I mean, there should have been more quality on the actual box. But see, I don't know if you can see that how it's 3D printed, like pushed out. But here's the. Let me get down lower. I am disabled in a wheelchair, so bear with me if you hear me make weird noises. Here's the gun itself. It's brand new out of the box. Comes with BB bullets. BB bullets. Let's get that out of the way. And it comes with I don't know, probably like 0.12 gram BBs. Those are junk. But for these pistols, now that you've seen the other one, that I mean it was junk. But here it is. I'm gonna take it out of the box. This time I'm gonna examine it first. Make sure everything's functional. There's a box. And there's our shooting target. It's still new. I haven't got to use it because the other one malfunctioned. So let's go over the gun real fast. It's pot metal. Orange tip. It's full metal. It kind of has a nice grip. Magazine release is right here. Drop free because they do have a weight inside of it. So put that back in. Oh, it doesn't stand. Look, I'm not pressing the magazine release. Look. Doesn't lock back into place. Come on, dude. Oh, there it goes. I heard it that time. I cannot make that up. Oh, now I'm scared to shoot it. This one might blow up too. I mean, it's a spring back pistol. Hold on, let's see that guy. It's not even going forward. No fucking way, dude. I'm sorry, I don't mean to cuss. But two of them from the same store. And I want to see I want to show you guys what they're charging, okay? $18.99 for these. You can get them online for like $3 or $4. Mind you, I buy these with my own little bit of money that I have. I got them for cheaper because obviously I knew the price range, and I got them for cheaper than what they were. No wonder why. They're both messed up. But hold on, let me pull that back. The spring doesn't even like. You gotta help it, assist it forward. I wouldn't even buy these guns, people. Like, really? Like, look at. That time it locked into place. I don't know. I'm gonna put some 20 gram BBs in it. Elite Force BBs. And see if we can do at least one shooting test. I don't know how many capacity it holds. So let's count them out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rounds. It holds 8 rounds. Okay. Load up the magazine if it'll stay in. Come on, dude. There it goes. Okay. First pull back on camera. The BB fell out the end of the barrel. Okay. No penetration to the, and that's just a thin cardboard box. No BB falling out. Way off. Way off. Maybe if I aim it better. See. Okay, that hit. No penetration. Okay, I'm gonna just do all these on camera. Try to get them. Yeah. At least this one didn't blow up. But it is broken. Like, the slide release is broken. Oh, shit. I don't know if you can see that. Look. Little pieces of the inside of the gun fell out. Is that a black piece? Those little black pieces from the inside of the gun. Hold on, I need to try this again. I'm going to get closer, see if I can get one to go through that box. Load magazine. This is ridiculous, dude. This is why I wish I could fucking... Look at... Oh, something broke in there. No way, I can't even... Okay, fired. No BB. No BB. 3 BBs. What the fuck? No BBs. No BB. What the? Oh, that was all the BBs. All the BBs came out at once. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Okay. BB fell out the end of the barrel. So maybe it was double feeding. There's still BBs in there. And they're falling out. Oh, no way. This one just broke too. No way, dude. Hold on, I gotta get that on camera. Okay, now we're gonna shoot this. There's a BB in there. Let's do this. I think it's gonna fly off. No way this happens 2 times in a row. Don't buy the guns from that store. I can't believe that just happened. Dude! No way that happens 2 times in a row, people. Well, at least the inside is metal. The internal barrel is metal. Or no, it's just hard plastic. Is it metal? I don't know. The inside looks pretty good, the barrel, but don't buy them. Don't buy them. G1 and G3, unless it's from some place where you're gonna get your money back. That's what you get, people. I didn't alter this video in any way. It was live. You seen little pieces fall out first. No way they break at the same spot. That's what happens when you get pot metal, people. Both of them from the same store. Ridiculous, dude. They was shooting fine. Everybody seen it. It was shooting fine. G1. G1 and G3. I can't make that up. What just happened right now? That's a G3. Don't buy them. Sorry, people. And no penetration. That's my wheelchair I sit in. That's why I haven't gone up and went that way. But that's what you get. And they wanted $18.99 for these damn things. Bro. I can't believe this is crazy goes out. I can't make this up. This is a crazy event that just happened. 2 videos in a row, same day. I just got these guns and both of them are broken. Don't buy G1 or G3 unless you buy it from a authorized airsoft dealer that's going to return your money. evic.com, you can buy it from them. They have good quality and they're good on their return policy. All my you can check out my other loadout for my other airsoft guns that I have purchased from Evike, and every one of them are bomb. They're good. But check that video out, and if you want to see a full review of those, be my guest and let me know. But as for these two, don't buy them unless from an authorized dealer. This is Crazy Wheels, and I'm out.